अफजल है कुल जहां से घराना हुसैन का, नबियों का ताजदार है नाना हुसैन का। एक पल की थी बस हुकूमत यजीद की, सदियां हुसैन की हैं ज़माना हुसैन का। शाह भी हुसैन हैं, बादशाह भी हुसैन हैं, दीन भी हुसैन हैं, दीन को पनाह देने वाले भी हुसैन हैं। सर दे दिया मगर नहीं दिया अपना हाथ यजीद के हाथ में। हकीकत तो ये है कि ला इलाहा इल्लल्लाह की बुनियाद ही हुसैन हैं। You don't need to be a Muslim to stand up for Hussein alayhi salam. You just need to be a human. Dear audience, Assalamu alaikum. My topic is the Karbala incident. Today is the 10th of Muharram and we are all extremely sad and broken hearted due to the tyrannical and condemnable act of Yazidiyat at the field of Karbala. But in the same time, we are highly proud of the sacrifice of all-time great hero of Islam, Hazrat Imam Hussain alayhi salam. Basically, the Karbala event was the battle between evil and goodness, the battle between true and untrue, the battle between truthful and untruthful, the battle between right and wrong, the battle between eligibility and ineligibility. One side was there a craving for wealth and status, while the other side was the Deen-e-Islam and its honor. One side was there merit and humanity, while the other side was mere shamelessness and stubbornness. As Yazid took over the Islamic empire, he immediately put his demand before Imam Hussain alayhi salam to accept his allegiance or fealty, which was totally unfair and unjustifiable because there was a hell of difference between the character and the status of the two. So, Hazrat Imam Hussain alayhi salam strongly rejected his demand, failing which Yazid conspired against Imam Hussain alayhi salam with his close circle hypocrites to get him murdered at the eve of Hajj. But the conspiracy of Yazid was failed by Hazrat Imam Hussain alayhi salam changing his Hajj into Umrah. The people of Kufa persistently had been writing Imam Hussain alayhi salam that he must go to them. They would stand by him and give him refuge and foolproof security. But when Imam Hussein's caravan had left for Kufa, the Imam Hussain alayhi salam got the news in the way that the people of Kufa had backed off their words and betrayed him. He was then at the place of Karbala where there was no water and shade, but the desert and desert far and wide. Exact there, the Imam's caravan was besieged by the Yazidi forces under the command of Shimr. One side were the armed troops and thousands in number, while the other side were the innocent and helpless infants, children, modest and veiled ladies, and armless and young and old, who were all in number just 72. There was no comparison and could never be, but it was the battle between evil and goodness. So here the two ideologies conflict and battle hard at the field of Karbala. In fact, the word is Karbala. It's a combination of two Urdu words. They are Karb and Bala. Karb means extreme sorrow, grief, pain or suffering, and Bala means extremely dangerous, horrible and dreadful calamity that is beyond the imagination. Karbala is the most tragic, painful and the saddest incident ever in history, that is full of sorrows and griefs due to the innocent killings by the tyrannical and brutal person, Yazid, who in no way can be called a human but the beast, because he made the ever vast history of greed, selfishness, and oppression that shall ever be condemned by each and every human on this earth till their last breath. कत्ले हुसैन असल में मर्गे यजीद है, इस्लाम जिंदा होता है हर करबला के बाद। डियर ऑडियंस, दो Hazrat Imam Hussain alayhi salam was martyred there brutally with all his faithful companions at the field of Karbala. But Yazid in fact died forever, because there isn't a single supporter of him today in the whole world. But the act of Imam Hussain alayhi salam is highly appreciated and being admired by the billions of people even today throughout the world, and shall ever be admired and appreciated till the Yawm Qiyamah. तारीख मिसाल ऐसी कोई ढूंढ के लाए, सर तन से जुदा हो मगर मौत ना आए। सोचूं मैं सब्र रज़ा के जो मानी, एक नाम हुसैन इब्ने अली जहन में आए। No doubt Yazidiyat is just evil and evil, while Hussainiyat is truth and truth. Yazidiyat is totally deplorable, miserable, disgusting and condemnable in all respect. History wouldn't have seen such a tragic, harmful, painful, dreadful and mournful incident ever before. कभी रसूल के कांधे पर, कभी नोके सोना पर, हुसैन आपका जब देखा हमेशा सर बुलंद देखा। Though Imam Hussain alayhi salam was martyred with all his family members and faithful companions at the field of Karbala, but he set an everlasting example of chivalry and heroism. He saved Islam forever with the great sacrifice and wisdom, and taught a lesson to the entire humanity that never surrender before the evil forces. ना मस्जिद में न बैतुल्ला की दीवारों के साए में नमाज इश्क अदा होती है तलवारों के साए में. Salah in no case as excuse to anyone, even if one is dying. Number 3, character is the only long living that lasts forever. Rest everything is mortal and for the time being. Yazidiyat is the mindset that prevails everywhere in the society of ours even today. We have to stand against it if we are the followers of Hazrat Imam Hussain alayhi salam. I would like to end my speech with this verse. इंसान को बेदार तो हो लेने दो, हर कौम पुकारेगी हमारे हैं हुसैन. हुसैनियत जिंदाबाद, यजीदियत मुर्दाबाद. तमाम शुहदाए करबला और उनकी अज़मत को दिल की गहराइयों से सलाम. हुसैन हमारा सब कुछ, आप और अहले बैत पर कुर्बान. हुसैनियत जिंदाबाद. Please like, subscribe and share. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.